Can you hear them? All right, let's just have a moment of silence for my flip-flop. This is a crazy story. It's a quick one, but I bought these Reef flip-flops on clearance for 47 cents in 2019. And I wore them almost every day since then. Best pair of shoes I've ever owned. Good morning, everybody. How the heck are you doing today? Woo, there's the sun. Found it. Found the sun. If you were looking for it, it's right out there. Good morning, everybody. I am rolling out of Empire Ranch today. Been hanging out here for about 5 days now. It has been awesome. But the forecast says the weather is going to be getting warmer. And it was right on the cusp of being too warm for me. So as it is. So, it's time to move on down the road and see what we can find next.
Well, we got to change our plans in our forecast. I seem to be having trouble with my solar panels, both on the roof and my portable solar panels for my Blue Eddy. The ones on the roof, I'm only making about 65 watts on maximum sun, and my folding solar panels, I'm only making about 80. So I'm gonna have to run back to the War Ranch and look into this issue.
Yo guys, check it out. We got in front of me like a 65, 66 Buick Skylark. It passed me. It sounds good. Sounds real good. Now you gotta wait for the walkers. There we go. What is it, Graham? Go get it. Come on. Go get it. Go get it, buddy. Go get it. Get it, Graham. Go on. You can get it. Go ahead, buddy. Get it. All right, so there you go. You can see in the back I got the fixed frames. These are each 100. This one's 100. And this one's 100. And they're just not performing anymore. This Arizona sun has just beat them up. And I just was climbing around up on the roof. It's freaking sunny, so I came into the van to talk about this. But what we got here is a decision I made in the past coming back to haunt me. For those of you that have been on this channel for a while, back when I was in Durango, I added 400 watts of flexible solar to the roof. That was a mistake, because flexible solar panels have deteriorated tremendously. And basically 400 of my 600 watts up there is crap. I disconnected all the walkable solars and just put my fixed frame Renogy 2 100 watt panels together. And it's October, the sun's low in the hemisphere, so I'm not making great power, but I'm making the same amount of power with my 200 watt panels as I was with 600 watts earlier. So we got an issue. And the biggest problem is I glued these panels down. So I'm going to have to figure out how to get them up That's problem one with solar. Problem number two with solar, if you guys saw in the video, is my flexible panels are just not making power anymore because they're old. But it happens to be Amazon Prime Deals Day today, so I got myself a awesome deal on a 160 watt folding panel. I don't have it yet. It should be here tomorrow. See how that works. If I don't like it, I'll send it back. I have found another one that's a 200 watt folding solar panel. That is $115, and it's always that price. I think Greg is actually going to buy that one and try it out, and then I'll make the decision whether or not I keep the 160 or I send it back and get the 200. But that's what's going on with the solar. I have it working temporarily. My real goal is to put a set of 275 watt panels up and mount them on the ladder racks, lift them up so that air can go underneath them. Maybe even put some sliders that come out more, but that's way down the road. But that's what's going on. We're back at the War Ranch right now, waiting for some parts to show up so that I can fix the solar so we can get back out. There's a lot of rain in the forecast coming up and not so good weather for the next 4 days. So there's a pretty good chance I'm just going to chill here until the weather passes. We're just going to wait till the folding solar shows up so that we can have that for the Blue Eddy. And then the last thing that I am considering ordering yet today or tomorrow before this Prime sale is over is a DC to DC charger for the coach batteries. All right, so there's the update on the solar. I'll take a cruise up onto the lid and show you guys what's going on, or maybe I already did, but that's what's going on. Thank you guys. I appreciate you being here, and I appreciate your concern for what's going on in the War Wagon and me. If you're not subscribed, maybe you want to consider it, because we do all kinds of van life stuff here, and we do all kinds of solar stuff here and off-grid stuff. And well, you'll see when I get these panels, we'll be doing major construction. We might do a whole lot of work to the solar system this year down in Quartzsite. So that's what's going on, everybody. I want to thank you so wholeheartedly for stopping by and checking out this video. We will see you on the next one. Keep on vanning.
Here you go, guys. There's the sunset tonight. Not a bad sunset. Got here a little late, but close enough. And then if you turn around, this far out, there's a full moon right there. Bam! What's up?